So I'm about to make this video tell y'all how to make $100 at least. So there's online banking called Chime. I'm sure everybody's seen the advertisement. I've had it for about probably 4 or 5 years, and I've signed up multiple people with my referral link. I'm gonna leave it in the description. You sign up, add direct deposit, set your card up on the app. No credit check, no stuff. Before my credit was decent, this is what I did, and I still use it. Free, no charges. They'll even an option you can even mail someone a check for free. They'll mail it and everything. They sent me this box today that said I've referred 2 members that signed up. I've signed up a lot more people than that. I'm not sure where they get their numbers from. So they sent me some stickers. They sent me this. I'm not sure what this thing is. I haven't opened it. I'm thinking about reselling it. Some Chime Crew socks. It says Chime Crew. Their own branding and everything. A Chime toboggan. It says Chime Crew. So yeah, when you sign up, you'll get $100 and I'll get $100. Then once you're signed up, you'll get your own referral link. So then you can sign your friends up. $100 every time. They get 100, you get 100. I'll get 100 for anyone that signs up, and then after that, your referral is 100 for them and 100 for you. So that's about it. Let's see if we can make some free money. All you gotta do is set up your direct deposit to there. Then even if you want to, I've had people sign up for Chime, switch their direct deposit over to get that $100, and then they decide they wanted to go back to the bank they were familiar with or whatever. Just switch your deposit right back. It's easily worth doing that to get $100 minimum 100. You sign up one person, you made 200. 100 for signing up through me and 100 for signing them up. Peace.